These are the Cat in the Hat Knows a Lot About That family community learning workshops. These are made for families with children aged 3 to 5. One night a week to be together and learn. Engineering design is part of the Cat in the Hat workshops. We really give families a chance to define a problem, explore and imagine what the answer to that problem might be. Then we give them materials and resources so that they can build something together. We start with dinner and share a meal together. And we discuss the topic that's going to happen that night, and then the parents stay with one facilitator and really learn about the topics, and children go with a separate facilitator.
What sounds do you think you're hearing here?
And then we show a clip of the Cat in the Hat Knows a Lot About That.
You rang?
The Cat in the Hat introduces a great topic to kids that's related to science.
I need something that sounds like blah.
That's quite a cacophonous conundrum.
As part of these workshops, the playtime is set up in center, so families get to choose where they want to go first. They have information that they received during the Explore workshop and questions that they can ask their kids to really lead them through and learn from the experience together.
Oh, that one's really high in my ear. There we go. Now, play the music.
We really want to build families' confidence that they can help their children be successful in school. And when they're learning together, they can see how easily that happens.
Hear out loud, everything? I think we're going to have to readjust. What do you think?
It's really amazing to see how invested the whole family can become in the learning of children.
Isn't this fun?